Start. Challenge in this appeal by special leave is to the judgment and order dated 26th June 2006 passed by the High Court of Karnataka at Bangalore, holding that the appellants herein are entitled to a compensation of rupees 3,57,000 along with interest at the rate of 6% per annum from the date of filing of the claim petition till the date of actual deposit of the compensation under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 bracket for short the act bracket close as against the compensation of rupees 6,08,000 with interest at the rate of 6% per annum awarded by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal Mysore bracket for short the tribunal bracket close void order dated 19th April 2002. The appellants are the unfortunate parents and the three sisters of the deceased. The first respondent is the owner of the lorry which was involved in the accident, and the second respondent is the insurance company with about 20 years was riding on a Luna moped when the lorry dashed against it and ran over the deceased, killing him on the spot. It was claimed that the deceased was engaged in his own business under the name and style of Bharat Packing Industry. The appellants filed a petition under Section 166 of the Act for award of compensation on account of the death of the deceased. In the petition, it was pleaded that the deceased had lucrative business and was earning a sum of rupees 20,000 per month. A claim for compensation of rupees 68,30,000 was made. Upon consideration of the evidence adduced by the parties, in particular the income tax return filed by the deceased for the assessment year 1998-99, wherein the total income from business was declared at rupees 43,000. The tribunal rejected the stand of the appellants claimants that the earnings of deceased were rupees 20,000 per month. The tribunal took the monthly income of the deceased at rupees 7,000 per month, deducting therefrom half of the said income towards personal and living expenses of the deceased and taking the age of the younger of the parents as the basis for determining the multipliers. Loss of expectation of life and rupees 10,000 towards funeral expenses, etc. It determined the total compensation as rupees 6,08,000. As noted above, interest at the rate of 6% per annum was also awarded. Being aggrieved, the owner of the vehicle respondent number 1 in this appeal preferred appeal to the High Court, rejecting the plea of the owner of the vehicle that his lorry was not involved in the accident. The High Court came to the conclusion that on the basis of the income tax return, the income of the deceased could not be more than rupees 40,000 per annum. The High Court, however, calculated the monthly income of the deceased rupees 4,000. The High Court, however, did not interfere with the deduction towards the personal expenses and the multiplier applied by the tribunal, as also the other amounts awarded to the claimants. The High Court thus chose to reduce the compensation amount awarded to the appellants by the tribunal from rupees 6,08,000 to rupees 3,56,000 on the ground that the monthly earnings of the deceased had been taken on the higher side at rupees 7,000. Feeling aggrieved, the claimants are before us. Stop.